starting a, I guess you want to call it vlog or whatever, on the restoration of my 1986 Tri-Z250. So, a little backstory on the bike. Got it from the original owner. He rode it for quite a few years in the Oregon sand dunes. Back in the day, he got a DG pipe and a silencer and had it rejetted, and it's pretty much been like that up till now. So in 2007, like most of these bikes tend to have this issue, and forward kick bikes, the case actually cracked. So it sat for 10 years. And then I got it in 2017 as a basket case, which I'll show some pictures of. It's a basket case, motor wasn't in it. Case was off of it. Luckily, the guy that I got it from originally had actually got another case that was brand new from Yamaha, so that was the score. So I got it back together. I rode it for a few months out at the dunes, and this is where I'm at now. I didn't really do much taking a video of before breaking it down, but so it's just kind of a chassis. So what I've done so far is I've extended the rear swing arm 4 inches, which I have some pictures of that. It has the tusk extended rear hubs with the Banshee bolt pattern. And other than that, it's pretty much stock. My plan is to repowder coat the frame, all new bushings, bearings. The engine will be gone through and have some head work done and kind of overhauled and rebuilt. And then on doing some new springs and the forks, having those rebuilt. That's kind of about it. I mean, I'll have the seats, I'll get a graphics kit, potentially new plastics. My front fender's cracked a little bit and the rear's a little worn down, but the rest of the plastics are in pretty good shape. So this is just kind of an intro and kind of what's going to go on. I'm trying to do a video every couple of weeks, just depending on how much time I have. But some of the parts I have, like I was saying, when the guy got this bike years ago in '86. Here's the DG silencer. They don't make them like this anymore. The black tape is from, the black marks are from when I had to tape the silencer back, this piece back in because it blew out on me. But yeah, this is a super old DG silencer. And then I have the expansion chamber, which as you see, there's no DG on this anywhere. If you can kind of see back there, it says DG Performance. This was long, this was before they started putting their name on the outside. So it's a fairly old pipe. That's about it. I will be making some progress. Hopefully that's later this week. I'll get the engine out, get the frame, the swing arm off, and forks. But first thing I'm going to do is go through and finish welding up some of the spots they could have welded. I might add a few gussets in some areas. But other than that, I'm not going to do much. This is kind of a, I guess you want to call it resto mod. I'm restoring it to kind of look factory-ish, but I'll have an extended swing arm and some other things of that nature. But yeah, that'll be it for right now.